Fine-tuning your English. Understanding. Tune it up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might have caught your ear. Tune it up. You may have heard it in different contexts. But what does it actually mean? Whether you're tuning in to improve your English for personal growth or to fine-tune your language skills for professional reasons, this video is for you. Let's crank up the volume of our understanding and tune into the meaning of tune it up together. Before we understand the figurative use, let's look at the literal meaning of the phrase. Tune typically refers to adjusting the pitch or tone of a musical instrument to achieve the correct sound. When someone says, tune it up, they literally mean adjust and improve the sound quality of an instrument or a musical piece. It's like fine-tuning a guitar to make sure it sounds perfect. In everyday language, tune it up can take on a figurative meaning. It means to improve or refine something that is not working to its full potential. This could refer to a variety of things in our lives, from tuning up a car for better performance to tuning up an essay by editing it carefully. To help you understand how to use tune it up in a sentence, here are a few examples. 1. The engine is running a bit rough. It's time to tune it up. 2. Your resume looks good, but let's tune it up with more specific achievements. 3. The team is doing all right, but with a few adjustments, we could really tune it up. Notice how the phrase applies to different scenarios, indicating the process of making improvements. When using tune it up, remember it's an informal phrase. It's more suitable for casual conversations and not for formal writing. Also, don't confuse tune it up with turn it up, which means to increase the volume or intensity of something. Tune it up is a versatile phrase in the English language that goes beyond the realm of music. It's about enhancing and optimizing, whether it's an object, a skill, or an experience. I hope this video helps you tune up your English vocabulary and use this phrase with confidence. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll surely tune your English skills to perfection. Remember, learning a language is like playing an instrument. The more you practice, the better you get. So, tune in for more videos and tune up your English with us. Happy learning!